Hey everyone, today we're going to solve problem number 2678, the number of senior citizens. Today's problem, we have given a zero index array, which is a length of 15, and the first 10 characters are the phone numbers. The next one character is the gender, and the next following two characters used to indicate the age of the person. The last one indicating the seat allotted to that person. So if we look at the problem, what it's saying is the length is of 15 characters. The first 10 are actually the phone number. The following one is the gender, so male or female. The next two characters is the age, and the last two characters are the numbers that is used to indicate the seat allotted. So what we have to do is, we have to return the number of passengers who are strictly more than 60 years old. So what we have to do is, we have to see if these two numbers are more than 60. And if it is, we're gonna increase the counter by 1. So how are we gonna access these numbers? So the one way is we can use slice method. In the slice method, we already know the 7 number starts at -4. Why? Because the 2 is -1, the next 2 is -2, number 5 is -3, and the -4 is for the 7. So we can start by -4. And then, because we need the number 5, we have to choose -2. Why? Because the -2 range excludes the current one, but include the last one. That's why we can get 75 in the age. And as we know, this age number is more than 60-year-old. We're gonna increase our counter by 1, and that's how we're gonna solve the problem. So first, I'll make a variable counter. This will track how many people are above the age of 60 years old. Then I'll loop it over the detail. Now I'll save the number to the age variable. Now remember, this is a string, so we have to convert it into the integer. That's why I'm using the int over here. Like I said, we have to choose -4 and -2 for the slices. Then, if age is more than 60 years old, we're gonna add +1 to our counter. And then we're gonna return counter. Now, if I run this and I submit the answer, our solution got accepted, and this is how we're gonna solve the problem. I hope you liked the video. Make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.